back to my channel. Today I'm here with a new video, and today we will be doing a luxury unboxing. I was online, I did order something from Gucci, and then I actually went in store and made a purchase at the Gucci. And I decided not to unwrap both items just because I wanted this to be a true unboxing on my channel, and I wanted to open everything up with you guys so you can see exactly what it is that I spent at Gucci. But anyway, if it is your first time watching, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to hit the like button. First item I did pick up, I believe that's in this box, is a belt. I already have the Gucci double G belt that's very popular. I have the all black one, but this one was a little different. This was black leather, and it was kind of like trimmed in the Gucci canvas print or whatever you call it. But anyway, let me open this up so I can show you guys exactly what the belt looks like. The belt comes in a box, looks like, and the belt did come in a box like this, and it has the magnetic thing on the side, and this is what it looks like in the wrapping paper. And the belt also did come with a dust bag that I probably will not use. So let's open this up so I can show you guys what it looks like. It comes inside of another bag that looks like this. Is what the belt looks like. Let's take the paper off of it. This is the buckle, and this is what the actual belt look like. I just love this print. Like, that was like the selling point, even though I already have a Gucci belt. But I don't know, it's just something about this print that I actually just fell in love with, and I liked it. So I was like, let me go ahead and pick this belt up. So, and also in the box you do get a little card. You get the authenticity card, and you also get a receipt. The belt retails for exactly $470. There wasn't any tax. Where I live at here in New Jersey, we don't pay any sales tax on clothes, shoes, and items like that. So there wasn't any sales tax on the belt. And the next item I got was a bag. Now, this bag I've seen numerous times on YouTube. I've seen it numerous times in the actual store. I've seen it online, and it's just never felt like this was a bag that I liked or a bag that I wanted. But when I went in store and I seen the bag, and this time I seen it in a different print, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta get this bag. And this is the super mini Dionysus bag. The print that I got is the ivy and denim print. And I've actually went on YouTube trying to see a couple videos of anybody that has this bag in this print, and there was not one. Everyone has the canvas print. But anyway, this is what the bag looks like. This is the super mini. It is just so pretty. I love the print of it. It's different. It's denim, so this is pretty much going to go with anything. And I also love the tiger heads that's on the this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, this is a super mini bag, meaning you cannot fit a lot. Basically, what goes in this bag is maybe a wallet, some cash, and a lip gloss, and that's pretty much it, which I didn't mind, just because sometimes I don't feel like carrying a big bag. Sometimes I tend to reach for my mini bags or smaller bags, so this is like right up my alley. I love it. I just think this bag is so cute. I had to have it. It's different. There's not that many people that has this print. Well, not that many people I've seen on YouTube, so that was like another selling point of why I had to get the bag. Let me take this off so I can. And this is what the chain looks like with this bag. Also, you can wear this as a crossbody bag. You can also wear it as a belt bag, and you can wear it as a clutch. Like, you can do multiple things with this bag. And also, this bag does retail for $990. I believe it went up. I'm not really sure, but I've seen a couple bags on the Gucci website that I have that actually have jumped up in price a lot. Like, one bag I have, I know when I got it, I paid $1,000 for it. Now I see that same bag is up to $1,400. So I'm not sure if this has went up in price again, just because I've always seen this bag, but I just never it just never caught my attention until I saw this denim print. So I'm not sure of how much it has gone up within the last year or two. When I was in the Gucci store, I did try this bag on, and it sits exactly right at my waist. I'm 5'8", so that's like the perfect length. I was kind of worried about that because I wanted to really make sure this would really be a crossbody bag. I'm going to show you guys the items that I would carry in this bag. This is a mini bag. It is not meant to be packed with a whole lot of things, no matter the size. I personally wouldn't do it because I wouldn't want to stretch the bag out. Show you guys the things I plan on putting in this bag whenever I do decide to wear it. And the first thing I will put in it is my card case. I have some lip gloss I will take with me. And I will also just take my key fob. Now, and also you probably could fit some cash in it, but I'm someone, I rarely carry cash. So it would literally just be my key case, lip gloss, and my key fob. Put my key fob in here just because my actual key case would not fit in this. Again, I wouldn't try to pack it with a lot of things. And honestly, I don't even think my phone would fit in here. And I have the iPhone 13, the Pro Max. And let's see if that would fit in here. No, it would not fit in here. So that's not a con for me, just because I rarely put my phone in my bag. My phone is always in my hand, or if I'm wearing jeans, it's in my back pocket. So that's not really a big issue for me. I don't mind carrying super small bags just because I don't like taking a lot of things with me. Some days, especially if I'm running errands, I don't want to have a huge bag with me. So my card case, my key fob, and some lip gloss is perfect, and a little bit of cash depending on where it is I'm going. But anyway, y'all, hopefully you guys enjoyed this luxury unboxing video, and most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.